Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be creating a separate route file for our admin. So previously we registered our admin route into the web.php and we'll be not doing it. For hold, or you can say for register the admin routes, we'll create a dedicated file. Okay, so in the routes folder I'll create a new folder which will be not folder, file, which will be admin.php, and obviously it will be a php file. So let's add php here. Okay, now here we have to register our route. So let's go to web.php and here is our admin route. Just cut it and let's go to admin.php and we'll be pasting it here. Got it? Now first thing what we have to do is we have to import this route facade. So let's add your cursor in the end of your word, then press Ctrl plus space and it will pop up this recommendation bar. From here you have to just select this one because it's a facade. We will be selecting eliminate support facade. Just click on it and it will import the route facade for us. Okay, done. Now we created a separated file for our admin, and if we try to view this route right now, admin/dashboard, let's see what happened. Look at here, we're getting 404 not found page. It's kind of obvious because we created a new file for hold our admin routes, but we didn't register this file into our service provider, so we have to register it. Let's open our app folder, then from there you have to open the providers folder. From there just open this file, route service provider, open this one, and here you will find this boot method where you have to add your route file. Look at here, we have two route files already registered. One is for the API. Look at the path, it is route API. Basically this is for this file, api.php file, right? And second one is our web route file. Look at the path inside the route folder. We have this web.php, basically this one. Got it? So similar way, what we have to do, we have to register our this admin.php, or you can say admin route file as well inside this provider. So what I'll do, I will copy this to line, just paste it here. Now we'll be changing this group path. Look at here, we have this group method, then it is just calling the base path. From there it is accessing this route, then web.php. Instead of web.php we'll be putting here admin.php. that will do the job. Now if I go to my front end, refresh this page, you'll be seeing we are not getting the 404 page anymore. If I try to access it again, admin/dashboard, look at here, we are not getting the 404, we are redirecting to the logging page. That's mean now our route is exist, and as we are using a middleware, we cannot hit our dashboard route directly. So yeah, it's fine, our file has been registered. Now what I'll do is I'll be adding here our default middleware inside this middleware method. Let's open the admin.php. And look at here, we're using this default middleware which is auth and role for the admin. So what I'll do is I'll be putting this middleware globally for all of my admin routes, because only a logging users can view the admin routes, or you can say access the admin routes. And then we have our custom middleware which is role middleware. That means the user who is trying to view our admin routes have to be an admin user, role have to be admin, right? So this two middleware is applicable for all of our admin routes. So instead of putting it in each route, what I'll do is I will just cut these two routes from here, middleware from here, just cut it from here, and we don't need this middleware method anymore because we are not passing anything inside of it. Now let's go to route service provider and look at here. In here we're calling the route facade. From there we are calling this middleware. So by default it is holding a middleware already, which is web middleware, and it is necessary, don't remove it. Along the side of it we'll be putting our own middlewares, which is auth and role middleware. Got it? Make sure you wrap all of these strings inside a array like this. Now what will happen is this middleware will be automatically implemented to this file admin.php. I mean, no matter how many routes we register into the admin.php, this middleware will be implemented to those routes. Got it? If I check it out, if I try to visit my dashboard again, admin/dashboard like that, look at here, I'm redirected back to the login page. That means our middleware is working. Perfect. Okay, so we created a separated file for our admin routes. Now what I'll do, I will add here a small group, because look at here, we have this admin prefix, or you can say admin segment, into our route, and this admin will be available to all of our route. I mean all of our admin route, to be specific. So what I'll do, instead of putting this admin segment in all of my routes, I'll be using a group and I will use this admin as my prefix. Got it? Okay, so what I'll do, I will just call the route facade. From there, let's call the group. In the first argument, I'll be passing the array, and inside the array we'll be passing our arguments, and in the second argument we have to pass the callback. Inside the callback we'll be putting our route here. Make sure you in the line. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll be, as I said, we'll be using this admin as our prefix. So in the group I will add prefix, and the prefix will be admin. So as we are using this admin as our URL prefix, we don't need this admin here. By default it will add this admin prefix in all of our URLs. So when we want to access a route URL, we have to put here admin, I mean in the URL bar, because this prefix will automatically add it inside of it. Now what I will do, I will add a prefix for my name as well, I mean route name. Look at here, in the route name we have this prefix as well, which is admin dot, right? So I want to use it like a default prefix, so I will add here another item which will be as admin dot. So I'll be using this admin dot. Make sure you put here dot. So we'll be using this one, I mean admin dot, as our route name prefix. So as we're using it as our name prefix, we don't need to add this admin dot here in our route name. Fine. So inside of this group, no matter how many routes we register, all the routes URL will be like admin then the route URL, like this. So for this route our URL will be admin/dashboard. Similar way, for the route name we named it dashboard, but we are inside a group and we are adding a prefix to our route name, which is admin dot. So this is our main name, which is dashboard. As we're using a route name prefix, it will be admin dot dashboard, like that. Got it? Okay, so we are done. We separated our admin file, or you can say admin route. We moved our all the necessary middlewares into our service provider here, and also we added a new group to our route, which will basically automatically implement the prefix and the route name prefix. So I guess that's it for this video. Our work here is done. I hope you understand, and I'll be seeing you at the next one.